Hello, welcome to Easy English. So for those of you that might follow our Instagram account, you'll know that we recently broke down in France. So I thought we'd make the most of this and get lost in UK as well and play a game of GeoGuessr. So if you want to play along, go to GeoGuessr.com and pick your respective country to get lost in. There's 5 rounds and so you get 5 minutes for free. So let's try and do every single round in 1 minute. Post your scores in the comments below and let's see if we can get a leaderboard going. Okay, so obviously for me, I'm going to pick United Kingdom. It's a moderately hard map, but I'm probably going to struggle. So let's start the game. And then from now, I'm going to start the timer, 1 minute. Okay, cool. So I'm on a motorway. This is actually much better than last time we played it with easy because the first map and all the other maps we played on every round, we were dumped in a field and we had to identify what county the cows were from that we could see. Okay, so I'm on a roundabout. Don't know what that statue is of. Looks a bit like a football trophy. This is an industrial park, which is just full of businesses. I don't think we're going to get any clues. Oh, look at that. I know this. That's Bolton Wanderers Football Club Stadium. The Frankincense South Stand. Okay, so we're absolutely in Bolton. And look, this is what I was telling you about with these industrial parks. You've got clothing shop, shoe shop, sports shop, Nando's, some very commercial restaurants. Okay, 55 seconds, I've just got that, so I'm going to stop. My minute is up. I am in. Bolton is just northwest of Manchester. Where is the stadium though? Somewhere in the middle usually. Oh, where's the stadium? Make the map a bit bigger. Where on earth is it? University of Bolton. Bolton Wanderers are very low down in the league tables, so maybe they've removed them from Google Maps. Down here somewhere? We're on like a big A road, so it must be... How is it showing me B&Q and supermarkets, McDonald's, but not the actual bloody stadium? Let's just go for somewhere out in on the ring of Bolton. Must be here somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna go for this. Oh my god, look! It didn't show you it showed you the university but not the football stadium. Dear me, but there you go, there's the retail and leisure park. Leisure meaning going for a Nando's. Next round. Reset the timer. We have 1 minute. Let's go. Okay, electrical store. Some crappy microwaves. Desk fans. There's a church. Maybe there'll be a sign of what church we're at. Go. Go. My internet connection is hindering me. Here we go. Belfast. I still have 30 seconds. Let's have a look around and see what's going on in Belfast. See if we can spot an English pub somewhere. There's always an English pub somewhere. Or an Irish pub. Now we're in Belfast. The Mace Express. Is this for... Oh, okay, this is like a small corner shop where you can just buy beers, chocolate and sweets. There's bound to be a pub by the church. Surely. Here we go, what are they up to? He's saying, get out the way. I'm trying to clean my... He's watching and sweeping aside. Look, still watching. He's like protesting outside his store. What is his store? Okay, maybe he never got his money back on a bike he rented. That's some passive-aggressive sweeping, I think, going on there. Okay, so I've actually gone on to 1.5 minutes, but that was Belfast somewhere. I'm not even going to try to guess whereabouts. Let's go straight to Belfast in Northern Ireland. Let's just go here. There you go. It's not bad, 34 miles away from a total random guess. Where were we actually at? Newry. Okay. Go rent a bike in Newry and get swept away. Okay, next round, reset the timer. Here we go. This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Okay. What's going on here? Everyone's on their lunch break. What do they do? Victoria Embankment. We're in London, I think. But I used to live in London, but I don't recognise this at all. What is this? Why can't I see anything of it? Here we go. Brit's chilling. Oops, I'm supposed to be at work and I called in sick. She's waving. They're on Insta. I can't even get out of it. I've got 10 seconds left. I'm just stuck in this weird auditorium of sun loungers, all praying to whatever building this is. Here's a guy. Okay, well, that's 1 minute up. So I'm going to guess we're at Victoria Embankment now. Where is Victoria? Victoria. Yeah. Am I mad? It's embarrassing, isn't it? Lived in London. Don't know my ass from my elbow. Okay, so there's Victoria Station. And then they... Could this be it? The Square Park? Let's give it a go. Maybe this is where they had their little circle of friends. Let's do it. Okay, I was pretty close. 1.4 miles away. Okay, let's start. Oh, brilliant. We're on an A road. Oh, this is going to be impossible. Ooh, I'm never going to get this. This could be anywhere. What's this in the distance? The setting from the Lord of the Rings movies. Here's a sign. We've got 30 seconds left. Paisley, Glasgow Airport. Local M8. Clerksbridge Toll. Okay, so we're somewhere in Scotland. Garnock Lodge, Lonehead Quarry. Okay, let's have a look because we've got 10 seconds left. Where would Glasgow Airport be? Paisley. I'm going to go then for... Ooh, I could be really close, I reckon. Lonehead Quarry, Garnock Lodge. Local. Let's go here. Here. Why can't I guess? Oh, I have guessed. That'll do. There you go, look at that. 9.7 miles. Smashed it. Okay, last round, here we go. Oasis takeaway. Are we in Manchester? I love Oasis. What do they offer? Oh, indeed. Paninis. Bookshop, where are we? This is quite cute actually. Look at these nice colourful houses. That is absolutely a pub. The Hunters. Look at that though. It's like if the Teletubbies made a pub. But this is a typical English pub. The Brown Cow. Cast Gales. Real fires. Not those fake ones that they offer in Teletubby pub. Okay, let's go along. 30 seconds left. Time's going so quick. We have Boots, a pharmacy. Travel agents, independent one. Oh wow. There's no... Oh, hello, who's this? Looks a bit like me. Krish Home Bookmakers. Oddies, this is off-license selling booze. 5 seconds, I don't know. Oh, no. Okay, that's all I've got to go on. A fish and chip shop next to window framers, because that's what you do on your way to Teletubby pub. And look, this is another pub. Right, let's have a guess where we are. I'm going to say, from just looking around briefly in this single high street, that we are somewhere in the southwest. near Salisbury. Let's say we're here, Trowbridge. I was miles away. Where were we? Cockermouth. I saw that somewhere. That was written down. We were right by the Lake District. Well, there you go. Let's see what I've got on my summary. I got 17,279 points. And where was I? I was in Northern Ireland. I was in London. Manchester? Was I in Manchester? The Lake District and Glasgow. Go on to GeoGuessr.com and set the country that you live in and give it a go and post your results in the comments below. And then we'll see you next week, and hopefully we will not be stuck in France. Bye!